Start. Sir, taking up the other matters on which the President's address is being criticized, comma, one criticism has been on the point that the prices have not been contained, comma, that even though we have stated that the inflationary tendencies have been arrested, comma, yet there is no ostensible evidence of the prices coming down in the market. Stop. It is again an unfortunate state of affairs. Stop. We know that prices are controlled in two ways. Stop. One, as by the general laws of economics of demand and supply, and the other is by legislation, comma, like we did through the Defense of India rules. Stop. Para. Now, so far as the first aspect is concerned, the prices are controlled by seeing to it that supply is equal to demand, at least, comma, that it they do not exceed the demand, comma, they should at least be able to meet the demand, comma, and that when that happens, comma, prices themselves stabilize and adjust themselves. Stop. Therefore, comma, it is absolutely necessary that there should be sufficient production in the country, comma, both in the industrial as well as in the agricultural sector. Stop. But what has been the attitude of the opposition on this particular aspect? Stop. Whereas it is absolutely necessary that there should be 100% man days working in industry and agriculture right through the year, we have seen that the total strategy of the opposition has been to promote Bharat Bandh, comma, to promote strikes, comma, to raise all kinds of industrial disputes, comma, to cause unrest among the agricultural labor, and thus by all means to ensure that the production is crippled. Stop. It requires an ostrich to ignore a contradiction of this type. When you are crippling production, comma, then the prices cannot come down. Stop. Para. The other method of controlling prices is by the various legislation. Stop. It is a method still open to the government, and maybe if otherwise the prices cannot be contained, the other method may be used on some unforeseeable occasion. Stop. But, comma, speaking for myself, comma, I would still be advocating and contain the prices by the normal economic laws. Stop. Socialism always means an increase in production, comma, an increase in the wealth of the country by producing more in industry and agriculture, and it is result of this increased production which is distributed amongst the people. Stop. That is the concept of socialism. Stop. I would expect when we ask for cooperation from the opposition, comma, we are asking for cooperation of this kind. Stop. Para. The other point to which a reference has been made is about family planning. Stop.